Hi, this is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday. It's been a while, but I got a really good one for you today. So, you start the new year off. You're wondering about inventory. What are you ordering? What are you not ordering? What do you need? What do you use? It is a huge frustration with me as a salon owner to really figure out where we want to wrap ourselves around our ordering system. And so we came up with this amazing idea of how we could really single out the most used hair colors in our 50-chair salon here in Atlanta, Georgia. And what we did, I want to show you, is we went in and in all the different color lines that we carry one color line, which is Wella, we put a green dot on the colors once the shelves were full. Then, once the green dots go away and we go to restock our inventory, we started by putting a yellow dot. Then it goes to a pink dot. Now, come with me and I'll show you why that's really important, because if you can look up here, you can see that all these still are green dots, which means that we don't use those colors very often. Meaning for me, how am I going to cut out a little bit more to the bottom line? So as I go through and I look at this beautiful inventory of color, I am now knowing what our staff members are really using a lot of and what they're not. That way we can make a more educated decision as to what to continue to use and or reorder in our salon. I love Wella. I've been a Wella customer since Moby Dick was a minnow. But at some point, if you've got a permanent color that does the same thing as another permanent color, or a demi-permanent color that does the same thing as certain things, you really have to work on streamlining your ordering system. So why this is helping us is now I understand the dot colors, and we will go on to blue dots and to purple dots. And after we have done the 5-dot system, we will reevaluate our ordering and look at that over a 3-month period. Then we will begin to eliminate the colors that we truly do not use in our salon, because we all know that we have our fan favorites. So I hope this helped you out there as a salon owner, or maybe you're just independent and you're trying to figure out really what your customer base is using more of. I notice here in the South, we do a lot of blondes. Maybe up north, you're covering a lot of gray or doing a lot of brunettes. But whatever that is, this system is going to help you have an efficient way of knowing what to order so that you can, of course, service your guests well. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.